explain the first couplet. It is with our judgment as our watches, none go just alike, yet each believes his own. Who will explain this line?
I can.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Ananya, yes?
Ma'am, just as the two watches never show the same time, the judgment of two people are not always same. The judgment of two people are not same, yet each believe in his own.
Yes. Yet each believes that their judgment is the best judgment. Okay. Anyone else wants to repeat this? Shrija? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The opinions of different people vary, and each person believes in their own judgment.
Okay.
And just like two watches never show the right time, but
Same time, not right time. Never
yes,
show
ma'am. The
the
same.
same time.
Yes, ma'am. Two
Similarly,
people have never have the same judgment.
yes, their judgment will never be the same. Little bit of variation will be there, no matter how much you can try that they are same, but still they will vary somewhere or the other. Okay, now the second couplet. He knows to live who keeps the middle state and neither leans on this side nor on that side. Yes, who would like to say? Zara, are you ready? Zara?
G.
Children, please participate. I don't understand why you are afraid of speaking. You say something, then only I'll check you, na, whether you are right or wrong. Ayush, 8A, yes?
Ma'am, the person who knows how to balance his or her life and do not goes on the extremes of his life, he or she knows how to live.
Yes. For a successful life, it is very necessary that you choose the middle path. If you really want to be successful, you have to choose the middle path and avoid the two extremes. Okay. Anyone else wants to say? Yes, Ashish Arya, Ankit Kumar, Aditya Hansraj, Soumya. Soumya, say.
Person who knows to live in a middle state can neither bend towards towards the other side.
Yes, neither bend on this side nor on the other side, or will avoid the two extremes. Yes, anyone else? No. Okay. For forms of government, let the fools contest. Whatever is best administered is best. Yes, who would like to say? Ashish
Shrija.
Arya, Barbie. Yes, who would like to say? Same hand I can see Ananya and Shrija. Only these two and Ayush. What about others? Children, why do you think that you cannot answer? Try. You will always be very good in your answer. Yes, Zoya? Akansha, you want to say? Now, children, this is revision going on. If I keep giving you the answer, how will you learn? How will you learn?
Ma'am, I have just joined.
Oh,
Ma'am, so please
but why were you late? Why were you late? You should be ready 5 minutes before. Very poor response. I'm not happy at all. That means what I have explained, you have not understood. If this is the case, you should tell me there and then so that I can explain it again.
Ma'am,
What is the question?
Third couplet, that is, for forms of government, let the fools contest. Whatever is best administered is best. Zara, okay, you explain.
Yes, ma'am. So let the fools fight for this, that which form of government is best. But the best form of government is that which administers the country best.
Yes, very good. Anyone else wants to say?
Ma'am,
Garima?
ma'am can
Yes, Garima, you would like to say?
ma'am Akanksha.
Akanksha, okay, Akanksha, give the answer.
Ma'am, fools fight for the fools fight for the which government
morning,
is
ma'am.
but the best government is which administered the whole country best.
Okay. Now, fools, they are fools, foolish people. They quarrel over forms of government. Yes, but the government that governs the people best is the best form of government. Whichever form of government can govern the people best or administer the people best is the best form of government, no matter whether it is democratic, republican, federal, any form of government. Whichever form of government can administer best is the best form of government.
Ma'am,
Yes, I
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, please tell me what is the second line of fourth couplet. Ma'am, please explain.
Which one?
Second line.
Second line. Yes, second line. Which one are you saying? You repeat the couplet.
Ma'am, fourth couplet for
Acha,
modes of
fourth couplet. For modes of play, let the graceless gillets fight. His can't be wrong, whose life is in the right. Whoever is leading a right life can never be wrong. No matter which religion you follow, but if you are on the right track, you can never be wrong. Yes. Yes. Who will explain the fourth couplet?
ma'am,
Who will explain?
Ma'am, can I Pavni?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I Pavni?
can I?
Okay, yes. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, meaning of fourth
Yes, yes.
couplet.
Yes.
Let fanatic people fight for religion. Let fanatic people fight for religion. One who follows the path of truth can never be wrong or aimless.
Very good. Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
But the one people which selects the right path, it can't be wrong.
Yes. No matter which religion you follow, but if you are on the right track, you can never be wrong. Yes. Okay. Next one. In faith and hope, the world will disagree, but all mankind's concern is
Ma'am?
charity. Tanushri.
different people might have different hope, religion, faith, but uh, the common concern of whole
Concern,
mankind is charity.
charity. But the common concern is charity. No matter which religion you follow, what your faith is, what your aim is, what your ambition is, but the common concern for the whole mankind is charity.
Ma'am, can
Charity
I?
means helping each other.
Ma'am, can
Helping
I?
each other. Yes. Who would like to say?
Ma'am, Pavni.
Pavni, okay.
Ma'am, it means that people might have different hopes, aims, religions, or ambitions, but mankind is the common concern of the whole world.
No, charity is the common concern of the whole mankind. Yes. Charity is the common concern of whole mankind. Okay. Anyone having any problem? No? Let's revise this. Let's do it. Just as no two watches show the same time, similarly, the
Judgments of
of
different
different
people.
people will varies, and each person believes in his
Own judgment.
own judgment. Yes.
Perspective.
So each person believes in his own. Now,
Ma'am,
next one.
ma'am, the first में opinion होगा ना?
No, judgment is also correct. Opinion is also correct. Both is same. Judgment or opinion or anything stands for the same thing. The opinion of different people varies, or the judgment of different people varies, is same. Now, next one. The best way to live is to tread the
Middle path.
middle path and avoid
Middle path.
Working on extreme.
leaning on
streams.
On the extremes.
yes,
Leaning on streams.
leaning on the extremes. Okay, next one. Only fools
Contest.
Contest over the forms
to the
of government.
government. The most successful government is the one with the best
Administration.
administration. With the best administration. Yes. Next one. Let the fanatic people
Fight.
Fight for
fight
religion.
For religion.
fight for
Fight for
religion
religion.
or modes of faith. Both you can say, for religion or modes of faith. Modes of faith is also religion only. Different, you believe, your belief system. You believe in Hinduism, you believe in Islam, you believe in Christianity. That is modes of faith. So let fanatic people fight for modes of faith or religion. One who follows the path of truth can never be
Wrong.
or
Wrong.
aimless.
Wrong or aimless.
Yes. Next one. People might have different
Faith.
faith,
Faith.
religion, aim, or ambition, but
Charity.
charity is the common concern of the whole mankind.
Whole mankind.
Very good. Okay. Now, what is the key to a successful life? Who will give the answer? What is the key to a successful life? Yes, Barbie.
The key to a successful life is to tread the middle path and
Ma'am, can
avoid
I?
learning on the extremes.
Yes, and avoid the two extremes. Yes.
Avoid learning of the extremes.
Huh? Why? Please repeat. Repeat. I didn't hear. Please repeat.
Ma'am, the best. Ma'am,
What is the key to a successful life?
path and avoid leaning on the extremes.
Yes. The key to successful life is to tread the middle path and avoid the two extremes. Next one. What are the various forms of government? Yes, Tanushri.
There are various forms of government like democratic and monarchy.
No, various forms you are saying, and how can you say democratic and monarchy? Various forms means two, more than two. So it is democracy, republican, federal, monarchy. All these are different forms of government. Okay, which form of government do you think is the best? Who will give the answer? Soumya, 8F.
The best government is one whose administration is well and keep
Is
their
the
people
best.
happy.
Yes. The best form of government is the one which has the best administration, or which can rule the people best. In simple words, I can say that which can rule the people best is the best form of government. The most successful government is the one with the best administration. Anything you can write. Anyone wants to say this answer again? Aditya Hansraj, you would like to try?
Ma'am,
The
ma'am, can I?
various forms of government are democratic, monarchy, and dictatorship. The best form of government is the one with the best administration where people enjoy their right and
Okay, very good. Ananya Singh, what should be the chief concern of the whole mankind? And what
Charity
other
should
concern divert people's attention from this?
Charity should be the chief concern of the whole mankind. The other concern which divert people's attention from this are religion, faith, hope, and beliefs.
Very good. Anyone else wants to try? Tanushka? Tanushka? Yes?
Ma'am, the chief concern to the whole mankind is charity. The other concern that divert people attention is beliefs in different religion and
Yes? Religion, faith, aim, and ambition. Yes, these are the
Ma'am, can
these are the people's attention is diverted from charity due to different faith, religion, aim, and ambition. Yes, who would like to say?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am Janvi.
Take your name. Yes,
Ma'am Janvi.
Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Charity other concerns that diverts people's attention from this are religion, hope, and faith.
Okay. Now, what is the next question, children?
read the extract from given below answer and questions that follow. He knows to leave the middle
Who
state.
treads the middle path?
What do you understand?
Yes.
What do you understand by middle state?
Yes. First one is 1 minute. Yes. He knows to live who keeps the middle state. What do you understand by middle state? What is middle
Ma'am,
state?
can I?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Yes, yes.
Balanced way of living life.
Yes, very good. A balanced way of living life is known as treading the middle path. Yes. Next one. How can the middle state be achieved? Yes.
By maintaining a balance in life and having control over self. Ma'am, the middle state can be achieved by self-control, experience, and don't land on this side or not on that.
Yesterday I told you something, na? Don't give answers
By
which are
middle-
not mentioned in the
By
poem.
not leaning,
Yes, you
by
should
not
give the
leaning
answer
on
from the text.
extremes.
Any work.
Yes, who would like to say?
Ma'am, can I, Ma'am Janvi?
Yes, yes. How can the middle state
Uh,
be achieved?
we can achieve middle state by not leaning on the streams.
Yes, by not leaning on the two extremes. Is this line relevant in the student's life
Yes.
to tread
Yes.
the middle path? Is it relevant? Relevant means, does it hold any importance in the student's life? As a student, what do you think? You should tread the middle path or not? Who would like
Yes,
to give
ma'am.
the answer? Shrija? Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. As this line is relevant in a student's life, as if a student plays throughout the day and does not study, he may face problems in his career later. And if he keeps on studying always, then he or she will miss the fun of life and he won't be called ideal.
Yes. He would miss the, and he had so many other concerns, things are also there for the students to do. So you should keep a balance between your studies and the other activities. You have to look after your health also, not only your mental health, your physical health also you have to look after. And for that you have to play. If you don't play physical games, then your mental health will be very good because you are studying and all, but your physical health will be poor. So you have to maintain a balance between all the activities which you have to do. Who would like to give this answer? Tanushka, you would like to give?
Ma'am, can I?
Who? Akansha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give the answer.
Ma'am, this line is relevant in students' life because if the student not maintain a balance between his or her studies and other activities, he will be not be a successful person in his life.
Yes. Anyone else wants to give the answer? Aditya Hansraj, you would like to give the answer?
Yes, this line is relevant in a student's life. A student should tread on middle way. That is, he should maintain a balance between his study and sport. He should not be studying the whole day, but he should also pay attention to do the co-curricular activity.
Yes, good. Next one, life skill. List the qualities of good government. What qualities? List the 5 qualities that a good government
Ma'am,
should
question
have.
number 2 nahi
Another
hua.
question is also, ma'am, ma'am, second question is also for modes of faith.
Oh, sorry, children. I switched over to this. For modes of faith, let the graceless gillets fight. What is why do gillets fight? Why do gillets fight?
Ma'am, Gillets fight for the
Jealous fight
superiority
to
of their
prove
religion.
superiority
Ma'am,
of their
let's fight
religion.
for their religion. Modes of faith.
Yes, gillets fight for the sake of their religion. They think their religion is superior than the other religion, isn't it? Now, next one.
Yes.
Why are the gillets called graceless?
Ma'am, zealots are called graceless as they are obstinate, eliminate others, and they would do anything to prove that their religion and beliefs are the best.
Yes, because they are so rigid that they don't want to listen to anyone, and they believe their religion is the best, and this is the reason why it is said that they are called graceless. Whose life cannot be wrong? Why? Whose life cannot be wrong?
Ma'am, the person who does good
The
deeds in
person
life,
who does
Person
good
who
deeds in
does
life,
good deed and do not
it
The
can't be
person
wrong.
who takes the right path, his life cannot be wrong.
wrong.
who treads on the right track. Tread means children walk. Who takes the right path can never be wrong, no matter which religion he is following. If he is on the right track, he is always right. Yes. How can we help the Gillets to attain peace? Oh, how can you help the Gillets?
Ma'am,
That is these fanatic people.
By convincing them to accept different religion and become tolerant toward different religion.
To be tolerant towards the other religions also. We can help the Gillets to attain peace by being tolerant towards other religion also. You have to tolerate everyone. India is a secular country. So many religions are there. We have to tolerate everyone. You cannot say my religion is the best one. We have to respect all the religion. We have to tolerate all kind of people. So this is the message which should be given to the Gillets. Okay, now HOTS we have already done. Life skill. List 5 qualities that a good government should have other than good administration. Who would like to give this answer?
Shrija.
Yes, Shrija.
Pavni.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
The 5 qualities are: it should make laws according to the constitution. It should take measures to safeguard the marginalized and provide equality of opportunity to everyone. It should be socialist and should make efforts to eradicate discrimination and economic inequality. It should launch schemes for the welfare of people.
Welfare of what type of people?
Ma'am, welfare of poor people.
Yes. Anyone else wants to give this answer? Children, this I think you are studying in civics. You can give a better answer. Shrija, very good. Anyone else wants to give? You can take points from your civics, what you are studying.
Yes, ma'am. Can I try?
Yes, say.
A good government should consider economic condition of poor. There should be free education for poor, free medical facilities for poor. The government should provide jobs, and the government should take care of religion sentiments of everyone.
Religious sentiment, yes. Very good. You should touch all the points, children. Now, next one. The joy of giving is always greater than the joy of receiving. Write a few ways in which you can help the fellow human being who are less fortunate than you. Now, yesterday I told you who are considered to be less fortunate. आपसे जो कम है, जो आपसे कमजोर है, वो लेस फॉर्चुनेट हुए आपसे. तो आपसे कमजोर कौन है? आपके घर में मेड आ रही है, वो आपसे लेस फॉर्चुनेट है. आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं जो लोग, वो आपसे लेस फॉर्चुनेट है. हाउ कैन यू हेल्प देम? हाउ कैन यू गिव टू देम? Main thing is you have to give to them. In what form will you help them? Yes, Akansha. Anyone wants to try? Children, we are running out of time, so be fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The ways in which I can help the less fortunate are by making them feel better about themselves, introducing them to new things and people, compelling them to be better than themselves rather than comparing themselves to others. Give them my old books and clothes and teaching the unfortunate things that might help them to get a livelihood.
Yes. Yesterday I told you, things which you do not require anymore, you can pass it over to those people. Your books which you have already read, you can give it to them. They can read so that they don't have to buy those books. Maybe they are not having so much money that they can buy. So if you give them your books.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, who would like to answer? Pavni?
Ma'am
Okay,
Akansha.
okay, Pavni.
Ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Akansha.
Okay, one
Ma'am,
of
by
you
helping them
answer.
in education, ma'am, by helping them in education, by helping them in their work, in which we can help them. We can also help them financially, or and may more depending on them what kind of help they need,
Ma'am, can
and
I?
Yes.
we can share with them with others, and the more we give, and we give them a joy.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Akanksha,
ma'am
you.
can ma'am we feel after a particular event activity diminished each time we experience that event but giving to others may be exceptions to the rule according to the new.
You are reading out the answer. Children, you should have your own answer. I've given you so many points. You can make your own answer. If you read, then only you get
Ma'am,
stuck up. Yes?
ma'am, I have written this answer in my copy.
Okay, you can read out that answer, but don't copy down the answer of others. Okay? Yes? The joy of giving is always greater than joy of receiving. This is the universal truth. देने में जो खुशी मिलती है, दूसरे के चेहरे पे जो खुशी आप देखेंगे, किसी को कोई चीज देते हैं, गिफ्ट देते हैं, क्यों देते हैं हम? Why do you give to your friend? Because you want to see your friend happy. You want to see a smile on on the face of your friend, isn't it? That is why you give gift. Otherwise, what is the point of giving gift to any friend? You give it because you feel happy when you see a smile on that face. Similarly, those who are less fortunate than you, if you give them something, they will be happy. And that pleasure which you will get, that is much more than receiving any gift. When you receive any gift, you don't get that much pleasure as you get when you give it to someone and you see a smile on the face. That pleasure is more. This is what I want to convey to you, children. And I'm very, very disappointed that only 5-6 students are participating. Rest of them are all mute. Children, you are losing this opportunity. When you will grow up, you will remember that when my teacher used to say why I never followed her. What happens, children, in this, if you don't try like this, what happens when you grow up and you have to face the group discussion, you will never be able to answer anything. In the group discussion, others will lead and you will be sitting quietly because you have never participated. That is why I tell you, you come out with your answer. That hitch which is there in you, that will disappear. You will become bold when you give your answers. This is what I mean to say. Come out with your answer. No one is watching you here. At least you can read out your answer. That also you people are not doing. Only 4-5 students. And I think these students are very good. You see, in the later years, they will be the leaders. Because they are participating, they will become the leaders. Your personality development is also taking place along with your studies, children. Remember this. If you are not participating, that means you are a meek type of personality. You cannot speak in front of others. So why do you want to become like that? Come out with your answer. You write your answer. Pay attention. What I am saying, you give the same answer. What I told you.